Knowing your strength and weakness. Being self aware helps you recognize your strengths and leverage them to advance your career. Skills like effective communication, creativity, or problem solving can set you apart when you know how to utilize them. Similarly, acknowledging your weaknesses provides an opportunity to grow and adapt, fostering continuous self improvement. Making informed decisions. Understanding yourself helps you align your career choices with your passions, skills, and values. This self alignment leads to satisfaction and purpose in your professional life. Without clarity about what you want, it's easy to fall into the trap of pursuing careers based on societal expectations rather than personal fulfillment. Building emotional intelligence. Self awareness fosters emotional intelligence, an essential skill in modern workplace. It improves your ability to interact with others, handle stress, and make thoughtful decisions. By understanding your emotions and triggers, you develop better control, resulting in healthier relationships with colleagues and clients. Guiding your career path. A deep understanding of who you are serves as a compass in your career journey. It helps you to recognize opportunities that align with your goals and personal growth, preventing aimlessness and burnout. Resilience and adaptability. The journey to a successful career is rarely linear. Understanding the self equips you with the resilience to bounce back from failures and adaptability to embrace changes. By staying grounded in your values and recognizing your potential, you remain motivated despite obstacles.